drawing indicator. I am also explaining in this video how to draw the indicator, inductor, sorry, how to draw the inductor. See, inductor drawing, take one arc and draw it. Okay, I will explain. This is a semicircle. See, this is a semicircle. You copy paste the same semicircles here. This is upper semicircle, this is the second semicircle, and the down arc. Practically I will explain how to draw the inductor, then afterwards I will explain you theoretically. See, this is the word file. See, this is the word file. For this I have given the borders also. In the previous videos I have explained how to draw the borders. You go through that videos so that you may know how to give these borders. Then later on, when you finalizing the draft, you can remove the dotted lines. For formatting purpose you use, when for the thesis also, for documentation or drawing any reports also, use the borders. How to draw the inductor? Insert shapes are there. Using these different shapes you have to draw the any type of diagrams using these lines. So I am taking one line. See, this is my line. So I need, for drawing arc inductor, I need one arc. See, in this basic shapes you are having arc. Not, this is not the semicircle, this is the arc. Just click it. Don't drag it. See, this yellow symbol, make it as a down so that it makes as a semicircle. Okay. This semicircle, see, I am giving here. Just copy it. Right click and copy and paste it here. You make it as a side by side, and again copy paste. You make it as like this. So some curve like this. Again you can copy. See, time being I am giving. You have to take one reference line so that it is straight or not. See, this line is I am making 0 so that it is straight. You adjust it to the tops. See, this reference, it is exactly. Now this is, afterwards you remove this line. So copy this line, this arc, and paste it here. Drag it down. Here is a command, rotating to 90 degrees, rotating to, and like this, flip flop arc. We want to flip vertical. Okay, you adjust this arc, down arc to second one means this arc, not for the first one, this second one. For second one you adjust this arc, one edge, left side edge, and drag it here. Drag it to the first one, and you adjust this one to the edge. This is our arc. Okay, same thing, you copy it. Don't change the shape, just copy it and adjust to the second one only, not the first one. This is our second arc. You adjust to the second arc and then move this third arc to this. Now it is adjusted. See, and copy this edge, because the same length we need to the other end also. Copy it and adjust it here. Okay, these are the different types of arcs, lines, everything. Now you can remove this, and you can also adjust this line to this bottom so that it is equal length. Now remove it. Now you can group it, because these are the different types of arcs. Different arcs are there. See, different lines are there. So you make it as a group. Under home you are having select at the edge, select objects, and you drag it like this. Drag it means selecting all the lines. See, now we have selected everything. Don't drag like this. If you drag like this, these two edges are going. You come out of the image and you drag all the lines and right click here. Don't right click in the empty place, right click on the lines, so that it will give one plus symbol. When it is in the plus symbol, you can right click and you can group it. Now see, it is a single object. When I am moving with the keyboard up and down or else it is moving. Now drag it diagonally to the whatever the size and the shape you need. See, I want like this. You can also make 3 curves, 3, 4, anything. This is my diagram. Now you make it as a, finally you have to, after drawing everything, see, because why I should and telling this text wrapping is, if you don't give the text wrapping in line with text, it will move wherever you move with the cursor. This is not correct. If it should be fixed means, see, I am keeping in the head this side and I am giving in line with text, automatically it moves to the first place of the paper. This is the complete diagram, and you have to give the figure caption, for example 2.10 colon inductor. This is my figure caption. See, figure, if I am writing full name figure, should not give the dot. If you write FIG dot, FIG, then you have to give dot. Dot means it is not the complete word you have written, something to be written again. That is the dot, meaning of that dot. If you write FUGERE, don't put the dot. Okay, this is the diagram. If you want to make the line thickness, select the object, format, shape outlines. You can change the line thickness like this. Anything. If you want to make the color of the inductor also, you can give any type of color. This is the line color, not this is the line color. Like this, you can draw the diagram. You can draw the inductor. Same thing I have explained in the PPT, inductor drawing. Take one arc and drag to make semicircle. See, what I have shown is same. It is arc and I have dragged it to make the semicircle. Copy and paste. Same arc I am pasting in the 3-4 places. Use the rotate option. Adjust down semicircle. This semicircle I have adjusted to first one, this second one, and the same thing I have given and I have grouped. This is down arc. With the reference lines also I have grouped in line with text. This is how to draw the inductor. Thank you very much. In the next video I will explain how to make a 2-column paper. Thank you very much.